Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Can anybody hear me? Wiggy, hello. Hi, Miss Andrew. Hello, Peter. Uh, hello from Maryland. Hello, Kelly. Everybody can hear me good, loud and clear. Good. How's the picture look? Good. India. Yeah, all the way apart. Yo, loud and clear. Canada. Hello, from Jersey. Hey, Dennis. How you doing? Acting. All right, Iggy. Yeah, waiting to hear from you. Chicago. Audio a bit weak. Yeah, you know what? I don't know. I don't know what happened. Gotta try to figure out how to get the audio up. Blurry? Is it blurry? Good. Sound is actually breaking up. Huh. I don't know how to I mess with the microphone. I don't know. Not the best equipment, but it does the job. On into Aloha, Pardo. Yeah, you can purchase from Amazon in the Philippines. The only problem with purchasing from Amazon is they turn around and they put a tax on it when it comes in. So whatever the price is, tax on it, and then you got to pay more when you meet bandwidth. How are sales going? Sales are going good. Let's been restocking everything week. Um, Occasionally, I got to run up to Jumbo Jenna to grab a few things. Yeah, sales are going good. Customers are coming in. Current customers are always coming back, and everything's doing good. I mean, we had enough to profit to pay the rent, the electric, and the water, and a little bit of change in our pocket, and so yeah, everything good. Uh, San Miguel, okay, but I think we'll pass on the balut. That was a one and done. You know what, Danny? Danny, about the drone, you're not allowed to fly up on Clark. Um, I've heard guys, have flown up on Clark, and then a lot of times what'll happen is police there, the CDC will come over and they stop you and tell you can't fly. So one of those, you take a chance. Maybe you can get away with it. Maybe you can't get away with it. But I really don't want to try because knowing my luck, they would stop me, give me a fine, and then take my drone. So not worth it. I don't want to pay the fines, and I definitely don't want my drone confiscated and have to pay somebody to get it back. So pay to 50 house. Um, I think it all depends on where you're going to rent. Um, some areas are higher than other areas because you get a lot of expats living in certain areas, so rent is going to be higher there than in other areas. I'm sure, you go into like Angeles City itself, it not going to be as expensive. We're actually looking for a place over this way. Um, our lease is up where we're at, and it's okay there. It's nice there, but we're looking for something over here. I have my headphones on. I don't. Hang on. Let me. See if I can. make some kind of adjustment here. I don't know why it's so low today. I don't know if that's any better. I don't know why my microphone made some adjustments earlier this week, and up there, up. Yeah, I don't know why it's so low today. I guess I'll just have to talk louder. Where's your store located? We are located over in Dao. No sound now? I can't hear you. All right, hang on. Hi. Any sound now? Any sound? Any sound? Sorry about this. Mic closer to your mouth. It's like right up on my mouth. How is Liberty? Liberty is doing fine. Hang on, let me grab her real quick. She was playing like crazy this morning. We were we weren't here yesterday, so grab her lunch. We weren't here yesterday, so when we showed up today, she was wound up and jumping all over the place. And there she, there she is. She wants to go sleep, playing all morning. Sound is good. Yeah, you know what? Of course, it's not the best internet connection here. So, oh yeah, she is getting bigger, eating a lot, and definitely getting bigger. That's for sure. If I rescued every cat that was here, we'd have a cat house. Need to keep the rats out of the store. We don't have we don't really you know what, like one rat here one time in this area. There's so many cats that run around here. They keep they keep the rat population down. They keep the mouse population down. So I mean, cats are all over. Cat live above. That means no. I don't know what you mean by that, Daniel. Hello, Sony Vera. There are a lot of cat houses, that's for sure. Plenty of cat houses in Angeles. That's the thing, though. If you ever been to Angeles, oh, the apartment above. Yeah, the cat runs up and down the stairs when Hannah Grace is up there, when Lisa's brother's up there. So yeah, she roams all about upstairs, downstairs, and wherever. For the most part, she just kind of hangs out down here. Um, she, she has one place that she sleeps and kind of looks outside and checks everything out. But yeah, she roams all about. Oh, watch out, Lut. Time we open the front gate, she tries to escape. I don't know where she thinks she's going. Go on, pal. All the cats are here. Fiber optics, Angeles. Yes, Edwin, there is fiber optics. I don't know if it's out here in this area, but over in our apartment, I know they do have fiber optics. Yes, Sheila Matias Balanza. I guess that's how you say it. Hello. I am here watching your live chat. All right. Live chat, baby. You retired from the Air Force. No, I did not retire from the Air Force. I retired from the state of Pennsylvania. Yeah. There, you can look at LUT now for a while. Expats in Angeles City. You know what, DJ? Claridel one area is safe. But then again, if people want to harm you or they want to, you know, break into your house, it doesn't really matter where you live. I mean, places that have, like they call it like a development area with security guards and everything like that. Of course, they're going to be a lot safer than say somewhere out of a development. It all depends on where you live. I mean, there's good parts here and there's bad parts here. Just like any other major city in any part of the world. Yeah, Charlie, yes, from Philly. Um, Philly is so big. You got city, and then you got rolling suburbs. But rolling suburbs, we call that Philly is our hometown, our home area. Um, so yeah, Philadelphia city, but it has multiple suburbs to it. So am I from downtown Center City, Philly? No, I'm more of like a suburb, but grew up in the suburbs and spent lots of time in the city of Philadelphia. You know what, Edward? Internet is internet here. Um, we're paying for 30 Mbps and 15, and half the time it works, half the time it doesn't work. You can't really complain because, I mean, our internet and we get internet and cable TV. We got, I forget how many high definition channels. We don't even watch TV half the time. We're only paying like $35 a month, $40. Compared to back in the States, you pay a fortune. So it works and it works okay. When you've been from the States or another country where you have great internet, there's no comparison, but it works decent. Ricky, it all has to do with numbers, the age, and the amount of years you work, and also government, the state of Pennsylvania allows you to buy back military time. That military time, I bought that back, and the age, the numbers, everything matched up, and I took an early retirement. $160 in San Diego, see? South Jersey, Atlantic City. Atlantic City, quite a bit. Used to always go down to Wildwood, down to the Jersey, Wildwood, New Jersey. Love those Wildwood days. Live with my wife in July and August. You coming over here to retire, Daniel? Oh, you work at the Borgata. I was down there at the Borgata when it first opened. Really nice hotel, really nice casino. They have an awesome, they call it like a massage, you know what I mean? Where you go in and get the massage. I remember doing that. Boy, it was awesome. Yo, Philo, what's up? DJ, I don't know if you've been up here to visit or you came up here to check out Angeles City. Maybe you want to come up and check it out. You know, make sure you know what you want. You know, you have the walking street and you have Fields Avenue, but that is such a small part up here in Angeles City, that little street area. You can live in Angeles City. I said this before. You can live in Angeles City your whole life and never once go down that area. It's just a bigger, there's more to it than just that area. Of course, Angeles City is known for that. That's where a lot of, guys come over here and, participate in the activities up there. But yeah, you can live here and never one step foot there. We drive through that area every day because it's on our way here. Now, of course, we could avoid it completely, go all the way up Don Juco Avenue, hop over on, Clark, come down the highway that way, um, way out of our way. I know Fridays and Saturdays we will go that route because the traffic just backs up going down Juco there. But yeah, there's a lot more, here than just that, just that street there. Oh, Patsy Lane, Ireland. Yeah, yesterday we stayed closed. We didn't open at all. Um, had things we had to do. Um, but our internet provider is what does it look? Converge, Converge. And what do we pay for it? 2,100, something like that. 2,190. Over at the apartment here, we pay 1,500 here. Am I doing business lending money to people? No. I've been asked, but I've said no to that. Hey, Gene, how you doing? Yeah, Philo, I got to get with you because I got to, we want to go down to Docket and I want to get the hotel guys stayed in down there. Go down there for a day once school's out. Thank you, Lex. Yeah, it keeps growing. Look keeps finding more areas to stick stuff and hang stuff up on. And so, yeah, it keeps growing and growing and growing. Next, you know what, Philo? Maybe either next month or the following month when Hannah Grace gets out of school. School ends here next month. Actually, next week. She's taking her final exams for school, and then you have teacher vacation. Then you have Holy Week, which is coming up here. So basically, next week is their last week. Next month, they'll do like, getting, they'll be getting, ready for, their final, whatever, when they give out awards and things like that. You know what, there, Maria, you're right. It's not worth the stress. You know, trying to collect and people that don't give and then take off on you, and then you got to hunt them down and find them, and it's not worth it. It's not worth it at all. No, no, I never. EBH, I've never done that. Never done that at all. Yeah, we'll do the whole kids. Bring the whole kids. We'll have a good time. Hey, Robert. Good morning. Oh yeah, Sony. You know what? I actually did video of that last year. Um, you go back in my older videos, you'll see it. I did like the whole week of that. Different places that we went to. Um, people, flagellating themselves, dragging the cross. We did like the whole week of just checking a bunch of things out. Went to the big church here, checked that all out. Well, yeah, I'll probably be doing that again. We even did one up in downtown Angeles City where they actually hang themselves on the cross and all that. We did all that last year. I don't think we'll be doing, the one in downtown there because boy, it was hot, way too hot. But yeah, I'll definitely be filming again. You consider buying a home here in AC? I'd consider it if the price is right and the house was right. Like I said, we've been right now we're in the search for a house here. Um, uh, um, we were told you can find rental houses in this area between 10 and 15. So we got a couple people looking for us. We're not in a hurry to jump on it right away. So we're gonna wait and hopefully find the right thing. Bye bye. Hello from Reno. And is your place there is flood free and have typhoon? Uh, DJ. I don't know. I mean, we've haven't had that big of a typhoon come through this area that I know of since we've been here. When it rains, it rains. Of course, streets fill up with water, but we've never got flooded out to where we had to, move everything to the second floor. Um, but no, I don't know. Not bad as far as rain. Like you want to retire in a Longapo, Subic Bay. Nice down there. Certain areas are nice. Other areas I have no desire to hang out in. Yeah, consider the neighborhood when buying. Yes, Maria, she loves her job or she loves her store. Hands on, she's there, she's everywhere. Like I said, yesterday we took the day off because we had a bunch of things we just needed to get done. But she had to go down to Marquee. She needed to get her passport and take care of all that. We shut the store down. I turned the internet off. I didn't carry any cameras with me. Kind of just took the day off. She did that. We went out, grabbed some Japanese. We went to Yufu Inn, had some sushi, had some, we had a whole bunch of just good food. And then went and got a massage. Kind of just relaxed yesterday, took it easy, and got to do that once a week, once every other week, and rejuvenate ourselves. How much is beer in our store? How much beer, Lut? Semic Light, 33. SMB, 30 pesos. Red Horse? Red Horse is 40. Milo, you would know. Yeah, I mean, it's cheap, but you get out in the province, land is even cheaper. A lot cheaper. I can't own land here. Um, you have to be a Filipino citizen to own land here. I can't own land. Now, a foreigner can own a condo. They cannot own the land. Is that on there? Wow, look at you. Lex Morris, yes, it has changed dramatically. A lot of the buildings aren't there anymore. The ones that are there have been re-renovated. Other ones have been torn down, but I still love that old hospital. I still like just going there. I like walking around in there. I don't know. I just think it's so cool. Someone is vaping. Yes, I am vaping. The Northeast coast has had third nor'easter in weeks. Oh yeah, I seen that on the news. You're talking about back in the States. I caught that on the news here. Matter of fact, I talked to my sister-in-law and she was telling me all about it. My parents were telling me all about it. I think they said like a week before it was like really nice and warm out. Yeah, Jude and Penn. The school year ends here or April. Well, next month it officially ends. Um, the thing now is next week our daughter she takes her exams for the final fourth quarter, and then for a week they have teachers meeting or conference, something like that, and then the following week is Holy Week. All the kids are off for about 2 weeks, and then next month she'll go back to school, and I think it's more of them getting ready for graduation and them getting ready for their ceremonies and things like that. But yes, school ends here in April. So then they're out April, May, and then June they go back because that's considered the summer here. Walk by Philippines. I am on the lowest dose you can buy. Check out Brian's Heavenly Guide. Yeah. Yeah, Michael V. I know Big Kev is live. I was over there earlier. Good morning, Shangri-La 66. Are the brownouts bad there in AC? You know what, Lex, where we live, over in Playa del One, I think we've had a brownout there maybe twice um, since we've been over there in over a year and a half. And the one was a scheduled brownout, so we knew about it. And the other one, I think, just a brownout, and it went out and was out maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and it was back on. So yeah, it they now this area where we're at now, where the store is, we've had quite a few brownouts here. You know, I think we've been here 2 months. I don't know, maybe a handful of brownouts. So yeah, twice, twice, two brownouts. But they seem to go out and they come back on at the same time every day. So buy a generator for emergency. You know what? If we owned our own property, we'd probably buy a generator. We don't own our property here, so I'm not going to buy a generator. Aslet to sell my favorite drink, root beer. You know what? Here's the thing. You know what? They do sell root beer here. They also sell Dr. Pepper here. Um, but they don't they don't move like regular soda here. Like people buy Coca-Cola here, Mountain Dew here. Those are the ones that move. Root beer, I think, would just sit here. You know, Filipinos, they have their own flavors, their drinks that they drink. Same way with people said about getting American product snacks in here, like Doritos and Fritos and Cheez-Its, things like that. But first of all, you're going to pay more for it, and it just won't move. It just sits. Um, it's more of a Western type snack here. They have their own flavors, their own brands here. Like Jack and Jill is a big brand here, and that's what they tend to buy. Can't find Dr. Pepper in the Philippines. Oh, you Charlie, I don't know where you're at. But I can go to, I don't know how many, there's at least half a dozen stores here that sell it. Jumbo Jenner right up the road here sells Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper and root beer, A&W root beer. Talking parrot in a golden cage, yeah. Well, we got a golden cat waving its arm. Maria, you know what? I did cover that in the past, and you're right. You got to watch out for the splashing of the blood. Yeah, it's called Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper that you would buy in the States. Dr. Balut. Pepsi One. I've never seen Pepsi One here, look. Yeah, yeah, there's Pepsi One here. Pure Gold. Um, Coke Zero, that's another one they have here. Uh, Wilson and or W. Not sure what that is. How about Fresca? Nope. Never seen Fresca here. You're right, Jeff. Hard pretzels are very hard to find here. Um, I know of one place, JJ's, and every time I see them at JJ's, I will buy a bag of the hard pretzels. But they are very hard to find here also. And I love them hard pretzels. SNR doesn't even sell them. So every time I go, I look and cannot find them. I like the Snyder's, the big Snyder's hard pretzels. Oh, they're the best. Or hers pretzels, they're best too. Elijah from Texas, you drive a lot or walking? You know what? We drive a lot more here. Um, we, I mean, we drive every morning, drive our daughter to school, drop her off, and then drive the car over here because we usually have a car full of stuff that we have to bring over. And yeah, we do a lot of driving here. You know, just local driving. It's all within Angeles City. Do I miss tasty cakes? Yes, I miss tasty cakes. I was just talking about that the other day. No tasty cakes here. You know what? Wawa here. 100 7-Elevens here. There's, I can't tell you how many 7-Elevens are located here in Angeles City itself, and they're all over the glass bottle Coke. Yep, we got glass bottle Coke. Nachos, free cheese, chili on the nachos. Could go out of business. Mark, you know what? We've checked prices up at SNR, and they sell bulk up there. And I think Lut checked into the prices, and it's still cheaper for us to go over to Jumbo General and buy it than SNR. There are a few things like Yakult. Yakult's a little, that comes in a little like tiny little container. It's like I don't know, like some type of healthy, milky type stuff, and it's pretty good. That's cheap up there, but checked into prices, and it doesn't seem to uh, pay for us to buy from up there. Oh, Wilcon Depot, yeah. I could probably walk in there with my camera. I don't think they would say anything. No, Laurie, I did not get my car fixed yet. Um, the thing is, I talked to a couple people and they said it would take a day or two for it to get fixed. Right now, with Hannah Grace being in school, need the car to run back and forth. So once she's out of school, then it'll be okay because then I could just use a motorcycle, and Look can always jump on the jeepney to come down to this. So it hasn't gotten fixed yet, but it will get fixed. Do they sell TV dinners like Hungry Man there? SNR has, I have not seen any TV dinners there, but I have seen encore. You know, the encore meals with like Salisbury steaks and lasagna and spaghetti. I've seen that there, but I've never seen Hungry Man TV dinners. Evelyn Jones. That was Luisa's brother who is graduating um, from college this year as a marine biologist. He was lucky enough that he graduated on top of his class. We got a scholarship um, for his college, and he maintained a high enough level in college where they didn't take the scholarship from him. Matter of fact, he is going to be graduating the top of his class. And what'd you say? Cum de laude, what do you call that? De laude, however you say that. Um, de laude, there it is. He will be graduating cum de laude, and he's doing great. He's doing awesome. He's been offered some jobs already. So yeah, it didn't cost him a penny. His brain got him there, and his brain got him a college degree. Laude. Hungry looking at the candy. Actually, a lot of what's hanging there is a lot of like tea, like Tang and teas and soap products and things like that. That's what's hanging there. Then back behind is all canned products. Yeah, Liberty's around here somewhere. Oh, laying by the door. I had seasick in a while. Little shop, little store down where our apartment is, and they used to sell it every day. You go down there and they'd have it ready for you. They only usually sold it in the evening. One of those. Hey, bread man, needs some and corned beef. Not a big corned beef fan. Yeah, Liberty is great, gaining some weight. Look, where's Liberty? Get Liberty and put her in it. Kevin, thanks a lot for watching. Items, biggest seller in store. The biggest item seller in the store, aside from like cigarettes. Oh, uh, cigarettes is like a big item. Of course, the candy. The kids like the candy. Soda, coffee. Coffee's a big seller. Capico Brown, Pica Blanca, uh, Spugman is like a powdered milk. That's another one. Those are all the big sellers here. Noodles, snacks. The typical like laundry detergent, things like that. When people are doing laundry, they'll buy little packs of laundry. They don't go out and buy like big containers like back in the West. They buy it as they need it. I think like cigarettes or Barangay Mining. Where's Barangay Mining? You know what that is? Barangay Mining? I'm not sure where that is. Our most profitable item. Uh, Most profitable item. Let get the most profit off. I don't know. She's a customer. I'll ask. Hang on. Profitable item. Make the most. Soda. Soda. Cigarettes. Yeah. Beer. Those are the most profitable. Near Marquee Mall. You know what? I'm not familiar with that area except for Marquee Mall, so I really couldn't tell you. Don't know the prices over in that area. Uh, Laurie, Gil? No, Hannah Grace is not afraid to ride on the back of the motorcycle. Um, like most Filipinos, the kids they just get on. They're used to it. Lucky Brand Pantsit. Oh yeah, yeah, I got Pantsit. Lucky Brand Pantsit right here. Porto, Liberty is doing good. How about lottery tickets? Uh, no, we don't sell lottery tickets. I think those are specialties, right? It says you need to get a permit to do that, and I think it's mostly specialty. And I speak any Tagalog. Kuya Charlie, I can speak very little, like very, very little, simple words, nothing. I can't string together a sentence. A lot of times, though, when I hear Filipinos talk, if I listen close enough, I could pick up a few words, so I kind of know what they're talking about. But no, I can't string together a full sentence in conversation. All right, Daniel, thanks for stopping in. Yeah, I mean, maybe some Sari stores do sell lottery tickets, but we don't here. No, walking by the Philippines, they'll speak local dialect, they'll speak English, they'll speak um, Tagalog. They speak it all, but something is wrong with YouTube channel having problems. The overall experience with getting the permit for the store, very simple. She went up, applied for it, asked her what the business was, and she told them, and they gave her the permit, and in and out really quick. Watching from Thailand. Hello, Thailand. Hey, Leslie. Cat, this cat is crazy. You walk around, she attacks your feet, jumps up, she jumps up in the air and does flips, and she's a very energetic cat. When she's ready to sleep, that's it. Leave her alone and she sleeps. Eating good, using her cat litter box, doing great. Yeah, flips, flips. She's crazy. Hello, Christopher Monk, UK. Yeah. Have you ever gone back to the U.S. to get reconfirmation for your pension? No, Mark, I haven't, and I don't need to. I like the RS 200. Yes, I like the RS 200. It's a great bike, but I haven't been riding it. With the store and everything like that. I just haven't been able to get out and ride it. I need to get on it, get riding it more, and get out there and I don't know, just get out and do a ride. Want to get out and do a nice ride. William, plan to go to AC in April and plan on traveling. Can I drive on my U.S. license? Yes, you can. I think you're allowed to drive up to 90 days on it. Um, but yes, you can drive on your United States license, but make sure current license. Yes, you can. Yeah, best time to ride is when it's raining. Yeah, it's true. Well, actually, you know what? People do ride in the rain. That's what's funny here. It can be raining, and people will still ride their motorbikes, their bikes, bicycles. Just so used to it. Now, I would say not as many people, but yeah, people still ride. Sheila shortened her name up. There you go. 18 inches of snow there, George. You can keep it. Gregorio, however you say that, you can keep that 18 inches. That's why I moved here. Yep, Miggy's correct. Have a motorcycle license. You can rent a bike here. What another thing they do here is they also do a photocopy of your passport. They don't keep your passport. They will do a photocopy of your passport. At least they do that here in Angeles. Mark, yes, Joseph has visited us up here in Angeles City twice now, and we've gone down there and hung out down there with them. They're great people. Yeah, you know what, Koya Charlie, I'm not a big fan of driving in Manila. If that's the only area you've driven in, crazy. I have no desire. I don't like driving in Manila either. Then again, half the time traffic's sitting still, so it's not like you got to worry about you know people cutting in and out of you because the traffic sits still half the time. I found out leaving Manila or going down into Manila at midnight. You have anything to do down there? If you got to go down there for something, um, if you want to go down there, stay at a hotel, visiting people, best time is at night, midnight. Traffic going down, not much traffic, and coming out, there's not traffic at all. Bye bye. I almost made it to your house. Yeah, Iggy, you know what? Riding here is okay because uh, um, you can pretty much ride your bike wherever, left, right, up the middle, wherever you want. Nobody's gonna stop you. It's just warm. All right, guys. William, I'll answer that one real quick. Settled here because there's a huge expat community here, a lot here. Um, Down in the Visayas, could have stayed down there, but I'm too afraid of the typhoons that come through, and I don't want to wipe everything. I don't want to be wiped out with typhoons and things like that. Up here, it's a huge expat community. Lots of food up here, lots of different restaurants up here. It has everything I need up here. One of the things is uh, hospitals that are up here. I have insurance that covers me overseas here, and it covers me in certain areas here, like Manila, Angeles City, Davao City, places like that. But up here in Angeles City, it's just a huge expat community, and it has everything here that I want. Um, Plus, I can hop on a plane here, and we can be anywhere in the Philippines, within a few hours. So I just like it up here. Got everything I need here. But anyways, guys, I think I'm going to wrap this one up. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for asking the questions. I always like hearing everybody, like everybody's input and asking questions. Do my best to answer them for everybody. But I'm gonna wrap this one up. Tomorrow's another day, and the journey continues. Once again, thanks for subscribing. If it wasn't for you guys, um, we wouldn't have a channel. So we will talk to you